This is a control switch. Remove this top cover. Then unsolder the 4 screws and remove the side panel. Unscrew the 4 screws of the control panel. Then check the wires. This is the wire of the screen. First, check if it is loose. Pull the line to check whether the terminal is loosened and fallen off. This is the control switch line. The switching cable is connected to the motherboard. Check if there is any looseness. Microswitch pressure cable. Check is it loose. This is the temperature sensor line. This is the light line. This is the main switch line. These two are the motor cables. These two are the electromagnetic tower line. This is a fan cable. Power cord. This is compressor wire. Then let's check if this line is loosened. Keep the machine powered off. We need to check whether the fuse is burned first. If there is a burning, we need to remove and change a fuse. Finally, screw all panels back.